Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, March 24, 2022. Let's start with the Forex calendar. Monetary policy meeting minutes, PMI manufacturing and tertiary industry index together with the PMI composite data had been released overnight from Japan. As you can see, we got this data, a bag of a mixed data. We got the PMI manufacturing below the expectations of 53.5, but better than the previous reading, and PMI composite better than the forecast and better than the previous reading. So pretty much good data from Japan. During the London session, the main event of the day is the release of the PMI manufacturing, PMI services and composite PMI from across the Eurozone. The leading countries are of course France, Germany and then the whole European Union. At 9:30 there is a scheduled event, very important event, Swiss National Bank basic interest rate announcement and monetary policy assessment. The current interest rate in Switzerland is minus 0.75 and it's expected to stay on the same level. During the we got some data from UK as well, PMI manufacturing services and composite PMI, and then of course during the New York session we got the data from the US in form of durable good orders, unemployment claims, continuing claims. All of this data are scheduled for release at 1:30. So that's about today's data. Let's take a look definitely on the Swiss franc, of course, because of the SNB basic interest rate decision, and on the Japanese yen. But first, let's start with a quick review of US dollar index. Daily time frame chart of the US dollar index is showing us a very nice uptrend on this currency. We just broke above the upper trend line. A new higher high was made at the level of 99.39. The current most important technical support, as you can see, is located here at the level of 97.77, and we should stick to this technical support. So let me just change the color to green again, because I've been changing these colors for quite some time right now, as this market is going up and up, and all of the technical resistance levels are now valid technical support. So we'll just copy one line and put the higher high as the technical resistance. There you go. 99.39 is the new higher high, and as you can see, we are trending up. We are trending up on the US dollar index. Recently we just made one pullback, then bounced, tested the technical support, then bounced, and I guess that the next target for the US dollar index is the round level of 100. Momentum supports the view. It's still bullish, it's still positive, it's still very strong, 61 points, down from 67 points. However, as long as we stay above the level of 50, which is the neutral level, the next target for the US dollar index is the level of 100 points. Let's take a look at the US dollar to the Swiss franc daily time frame chart. US dollar to the Swiss franc has made very interesting market move. Okay, so we got pin bar here on the 16th of the March, then confirmation of the pin bar, then extension towards the technical support seen at 9,295 pips, then slight bounce, and then please take a look here, another pin bar, another rejection of the level of 9,377 pips, and confirmation to the downside. So what is market expecting right now? Well, as long as we move inside of this channel, it looks like the market wants to go up. Okay, so we got this channel here as our main ascending channel, we might adjust this channel to the newest data. So what we are going to do is to lower this this line here, excuse me, and then of course no, there you go. This I want to copy this line, so this is, yep, and we got the parallel line here, so you can see the, there you go, you can see the correct channel on the chart. So we got this channel here. One more thing we need is the horizontal line on the RSI. Let it be on the level of 50, no problem, let it stays there. And as you can see, momentum is positive. It is approaching the level of 50, the neutral level on the RSI, as the bullish engagement is not that big yet, because they are defending the level of 9,295. So this should be the key technical support, and it is technical support. If the interest rate is different than expected, then we can see spike to the downside towards 9,177, 9,151. Please notice the fact that there is still a negative interest rate in Switzerland, and there had been rumors saying that the Fed will increase the interest rate, it will hike the interest rate, and the European Central Bank will follow soon enough. And if the European Central Bank will follow, all of the other banks will follow as well, including the Swiss National Bank. However, there might be some kind of extension or acceleration of this hikes by the Swiss National Bank, and they might jump this interest rate to 0. If they will do, that would mean the US dollar will be sold and the Swiss franc will be bought back up. So we can see the spike to the downside. However, let's wait for this market to tell us what is the proper reaction on the SNB decision. So that's the US dollar to the Swiss franc. Let's now take a look at the US dollar to Japanese yen. US dollar to Japanese yen extends the up wave, as we can see here on the chart. We are trending higher. We are trending higher away from 118.71. We passed the level of 121. The high was 121.76. Despite the fact that market is extremely overbought. 85 points on RSI means the bullish engagement is huge, is extremely huge. However, this market is not coming off these levels because it's in a big up trend with massive effort from the bulls. So let's just switch to the weekly time frame. Let's see what do we have here. Well, we have the next target. We're gonna analyze this market on a weekly time frame because this looks much better. You see these 3 weekly candles, green weekly candles here. We are heading towards 125.83, which is the high from 2015. There is nothing in between, maybe some resistance at 123.60, but that will be just a temporary. So please pay attention to the US dollar to Japanese yen. Stick to the trend. The trend is up. And last but not least, let's talk about Bitcoin. Daily time frame chart. Sorry, this is weekly. Excuse me. I will switch to the daily. There you go. Weekly is gone. Daily is on. Daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin is showing some interesting developments here, as slowly but steadily the market is gaining the momentum and it's approaching the key zone here, $44,409, $45,811. This is the key supply zone, and the market is again making local highs, 43,484, and it's approaching this zone. If it's broken, then of course we might be trading above $50,000 soon enough. So please keep an eye on this level, keep an eye on this zone. All of the lines I'm changing color right now from red to green are technical supports, so please keep an eye on this technical supports. They are a little bit off the previous level, so let's just make it, there you go, something like this, and this one is correct, so there is no need to change them. We are still above short-term trend line, and it looks like this, with this increasing momentum, the market of Bitcoin might be on fire soon enough to break above 45,811 and head towards $50,000. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.